To repair the multi-head Pibo spindle shown here, it is critical to make sure you evaluate the shaft and housing tolerances, the gear mesh properties, check for backlash, and you must have an understanding of the internal parts and how they work together. It's also critical to understand the role of the spindle in the manufacturing process so it can be rebuilt to maximize its performance in its particular application. To protect the spindle from contamination, we evaluate the condition of the labyrinth system on the front end of the shaft systems. The spindle repairs often require a rework or replacement of these parts in order to maximize the contamination prevention properties of the system. Northland Tool & Electronics stocks these parts for many models, and we can manufacture them for any repair. If you need fast turnaround and quality spindle repair, call us to discuss what we can do for you.